In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add assignees on tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your space and then choose any of the space that you want. For my case, I want to add assignees under team space. So from here, go under the project that contains your tasks. And once you click on it, you'll see various tasks under which you can add assignees. For my case, I want to add assignees on task 5. Click on it and this will open this task. To add assignees, head over to these assignees here and click on it and you'll see a list of all the members you have in your ClickUp. Alternatively, you can also invite people via email. So go ahead and click on the member that you want to add, and then you can go ahead and add a description of the assignment you want to assign to this person. For instance, file a report on the task above, and just by that I'll have added an assignee to this task. So that's how you can add assignees to tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.